It's no secret, most people don't make it in trading. 1% of college athletes make it to the NBA. 0.3% of high school basketball players make it to the NBA. So everything's hard. I'm not here to convince you to start trading. That's actually not the point of this video. But I do think everyone should trade. Even if you fail miserably, I think everyone should trade. So why on earth would you give trading a shot? Financial freedom? Sure. Living life based on your schedule? Sounds pretty good. Having the freedom to produce income in the power of your hands anywhere in the world. Amazing, right? All of that sounds like sunshines and rainbows, but none of that is guaranteed to happen. In fact, the odds are against you, 100%. But there's one guarantee that I can make you that I think will make it worth it for you to do this. You're gonna experience personal growth in ways that you would never imagine, in ways that you can't really get in other places. Trading will reveal parts of you that are so deeply hidden inside that requires a sense of pressure, right? A sense of frustration. It requires a lot of emotion to kind of uncover. When you think about day trading, you probably think about charts and numbers and screens, maybe old school, someone on the trading floor running around, Wolf of Wall Street type of shit. But in reality, this is more of an infinite climb up a spiritual mountain. For some, it's like a psychedelic trip. You're discovering worlds that are inside of you, completely different perspective to everything that you thought that you knew. You experience the other side as well. Darkness, greed, fear, anxiety, comparison. So there's all of these different emotions that you're exposed to. This is why it's worth it. You find out who you really are. Trading makes it so that your buttons are pressed. It makes it so that you feel a range of emotions. That's how it's designed. The markets are designed to create a psychological war. So what do you do? Why do this? This isn't easy. It's frustrating. You compare yourself to a lot of people. You create expectations that you don't even know where they come from, but that's the point. I think you can spend as much time doing this, and maybe you're never profitable. Experiencing this though, it does put you in position to realize that there's so much that we have to work on, that there's traumas inside that we haven't quite resolved. You start to see all the things that make you tick. Why am I impulsive? Why did I get into this trade? Why was more money at risk than needed to be? And so, yes, maybe it's in a way, it's like having your very own therapy sessions, but no one's telling you exactly what to think or how to feel. You have to uncover it yourself, but you are exposed to it, because that's why I love trading, because it forces you to feel emotions that you may not want to feel. But if you do continue, you get better at working with these emotions. You start to realize that you can feel something without becoming that emotion, and that development of emotional intelligence, the ability to build discipline, all of these things are worth it. And so maybe you never see $1. The failures alone that you go through here, that makes every single second worth it. Every trade, every loss, every win, it makes it worth your time. So if you're thinking about learning how to trade, do it. Do it. Maybe it'll turn out all right, or maybe it'll be an absolute failure, but at least you will have an experience of growth, an experience of awareness, and that makes it worth it. There's so much that we can go into on this topic, and I'm sure I'll make more videos into this, but I do think every single person should at least try, should at least go through the roller coaster of emotions that trading brings us. See you guys in the next video.